Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Ground control to Major Tom.
8, 7, 6.
Commencing countdown, engines on.
3, 2.
Check ignition, and may God's love be with you. That's you. This is ground control to Major Tom. You really made the grade, and the papers want to know whose shirts you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door, and I'm floating in a most peculiar way. And the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in my tin can, far above the world. Planet Earth is blue, and there's nothing I can do. I'm past 100,000 miles. I'm feeling very still, and I think my spaceship knows which way to go. Tell my wife I love her very much, she knows. Ground control to Major Tom, your circuit's dead. There's something wrong. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear? Am I floating round my tin can, far above the moon? Planet Earth is blue, and there's nothing I can do.
Ay, ay, ay. One steaming pile of spicy bull. Olé.
This place is going to be crawling with assholes. Be careful.
Yeah, it's windy, right? Why not? That's really good.
I'm a real wild one, wild one, wild one, wild one.
Eat this, you murdering bastards! I'm pinned down! Pinned down! I'm pinned down! Go on, Tommy. I'll be okay. I'm pinned down! I'm pinned down! I'm pinned down! I'm pinned down! Pinned down! Pinned down!
Diaz must be inside.
Reds! Beautiful high ceilings in here. You betrayed me, you idiot! I'm gonna kill you real soon! Eat this, you murdering bastards! Beautiful high ceilings in here. Bill, our protagonist named Bill, sets his sights on an anchor steampunch. All he needs is 13 quarters congregated in his hat. A crow, a scavenger type, California redemption provides him with his rent, room and board inside of a fifth of comfort.
It's been fucking raining all day. Has it not rained all day? No, nothing but water. It's gonna fucking rain. It's gonna fucking rain.